Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set up your shipping by manually and by two best drop shippers. So let's start. Let's start. So first you have to log in or sign up your Shopify account to shopify.com. Then then you have to go in apps. I am suggesting you like two dropshipping apps that are best. First is CJ Dropshipping. You can just search here if you don't find. I am searching here. Like you can like here CJ and just search it. CJ you can write or CJ Dropshipping you write. At the first it will come. It is very famous and it is very reliable. So you have to link your Shopify account to CJ Dropshipping. As you can see, CJ Dropshipping provides this exclusive services and it don't take charges also, but they charges a commission when your customer will order the product from your website. So let's show you how to use it. So as we can see, for example, I am adding this product, or let us add this product, or just like we can list this product. So we can just open this simply by clicking here. As you can see, it is opening. Creative 3-in-1 colorful jellyfish lamp, as you can see. So let's start. To list this product, you have to just click on this list, and then you have to select a Shopify store. If it is not selected, you can select from here by clicking this. You can select the product category. I am adding a new category. I can just write sample here, but you can add your category of products which are selling. After it confirm to my store, you can write to sample, or you can write your store vendor, or anything that you want to write it. Just we can see all the things are given below. So you can just recommend the price. As we can see, we can recommend the price of it, as our profit is equals to this dollar, this much. We can just click on this, revise it. It is so high, we can't do that much. We can do up to this much. Indians will not buy that much, so we can just cutting our cost. So your price will be, let's total drop shipping cost will this. So you can sell up to margin to 40%. This is about 400%, and this is for 400%. You can deselect this if you want, and you can click on list now button, and then you can click on this on listing button. It will be listed within a minute. As you can see, it is loading. So as we can see here, product is pending, it is listing. Let us see the connections from where our product will receive. So it is the product, as we can see. So let's refresh it. As we can see, the product is here that we have added. Here, just cut it. We have added a jellyfish lamp. As you can see, it is jellyfish lamp is here. You can see it is active also. Post is active. You can just preview on the online store. As we can see, it is jellyfish lamp. We have set it our price like 12,000 rupees. So you can see the photos also. It is perfectly done by CJ Dropshipping. So let's come to second. I am using Printful. Printful is a t-shirt printing company or site that's that's dropship your t-shirt design that you have made. So let me explain you to set up its shipping. So first you have to go to settings, then you have to go to shipping. As we can see, shipping, it is connected to my store, means it's connected to my Shopify store. You can see you can charge your charges, your shipping configuration, enable if you want, enable display a free shipping method. Okay, you can just do if you want to do. So let's do. So like estimate delivery time, let us set that. So you can save this also, and you can see as the as US and Canada it's there. You can set all the things by reading this. So let's go to third method. In third method we will set up manually. So you have to watch this step very carefully. So you have to go to your home, then you have to go to your settings. Here as we click on our settings option, we can see here our option shipping and delivery. Just click this, then you can see here is shipping is delivery. Just you can just click on this manage button. You can manage it by adding the rates that you want to add. Let us rate this as a standard rate. Let us rate it as 100 rupees or 99 rupees, and done. As you can see, it's done. And you can select the international. You can just of the international also if you want. I am adding some rates for international also. I am here doing like 2000 rupees. Like do done. As you can see, we have set our manually. You can if in your country there will be like I can just do it manage. No, like I should add, like add rates if you're in your country if are available, then it will like in USA you can add DHL or USP or any service that you want. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share this video to others. Thank you for watching.